My, see how good this looks. When I was making this dish, up until when I was done, I still had no idea what to call it. So let's just talk about you subscribing to my channel because the meals, the makeup, haba, hit the subscribe button. So let's do this. Today I halved my potatoes. No particular reason. I just wanted a different shape. It's food, just keep it interesting, keep it as interesting as you can. So I'm just going to boil them. Funny enough, when I was peeling to boil, I had no idea what I wanted to make, but I knew I didn't want to fry, and then I knew I didn't want any oversearing. So by the time it was almost done, I had an idea of what I wanted. So I'd sent my sister to the market and she came back with some greens. So just pop in our boiled halved Irish potatoes into a dry pan. I'm not using any oil today. So if you're on a diet and you want to do like a vegan meal, this works very well. So just potatoes, no oil, and then I'm going to season this and just let it steam by itself. I've cut my veggies already, so we're gonna spice, chili, curry, garlic, ginger. So we're just going to let that, and seasoning, of course, we're just going to let that absorb. Let it absorb by itself, and then mix. You have to be very careful because the potatoes are well cooked so that you don't mash them. I'm going to put in the cabbage now. You can put in whatever greens you want. For me, I wanted greens with high water content so that I won't have to keep adding anything to keep it from sticking in the pot, and also tasted nice. I'm going to add cabbage, I'm going to add green beans, I'm going to add vegetables, and I'm going to add carrots and onions. I don't really like green beans, but I wanted this to be like super colorful. And when my greens are well seasoned, I don't really mind eating them. But for green beans, I'm not a huge fan. I'm not a huge fan. But cabbage, cucumber, I can sit and eat by myself all day. So I'm just going to mix that in and make sure it's well mixed. And then what I'm doing is just adding a little bit of the hot water from the potatoes before I add the vegetables, because everything is steaming together. I don't want anything to stick to the pan. But because also the veggies are washed, and no matter how you do it, you're going to have water. So that water is just steaming everything together. And you also don't want your veggies to get soggy. So you have to be very careful in the mixing and in the amount of water that is in your pan. I didn't add water and I didn't add oil. At some point, I thought I would have to add oil, but then it all worked out because of the water content in the veggies. So I didn't have to, and because the potatoes were well seasoned, everything just came together. I didn't have to over season the veggies or any of that. So I'm putting in my carrots and my green beans right now. Mix everything in, and I'm just going to wait a bit. Now this is the thing we're cooking for different mouths in the house. We have people who don't like pepper, and throughout this whole period, this has been cooking on very, very low heat. So we have people who don't like pepper, and we have people who like pepper. We have people who don't want to eat oil, and we have people who want to eat oil. This actually started as just my meal, but then I discovered that everybody's eye was on it, so just had to make some concessions. So as usual, one of my favorite parts of cooking is adding onions to the meal when it's almost done. So now I'm incorporating my onions and mixing carefully so that I can retain the shape of my potatoes. We don't want them to get soggy, we don't want them broken, and we don't want them mashed. It's a pottage, yes, but we want to keep things as crispy as possible. So I'm done with this. For every single person who doesn't want oil, pepper, or too much spice. Now let's get to the good stuff. My food has to have pepper. So this pot has the remaining part of the water from the potatoes that I drained. So I just popped in fresh pepper. If you don't like pepper, you can use half or quarter of what is here if you just want, or you can even add in the main meal. But I decided to do this because I knew I was going to eat, and my sisters would want to eat the one with pepper. So we just mixed in pepper just to let it boil. This is boiling with just water. We're going to let that boil with seasoning, and then just take a bit of the pottage from the bland side and then give it a little bit of spice. So this is what you saw at the beginning of the video. It was very colorful. So this is an option for you to incorporate spicy food and not have to cook two separate pots of food. You can always make sure that everybody gets what they want by making the bland one first and then mixing in super spice when you're done in a different pot or in the plate, depending on what spice you're using. So I hope this recipe looks appetizing to you, and I hope you try it. It's really nice. The veggies, everything just came together really nice. Thank you so much for watching. This is another way to use Irish potatoes, and I cannot wait to hear from you. Thank you so much. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. I'm going to be uploading every Tuesday and Friday.